Good morning, all. Today we are going to do a BMC video, that is business model Canva, in the company Apple Link. So it is the most successful and innovative companies, and which is Apple, not just a smartphone company. It is a global technology and leader known the product such as the iPhone, Mac phone, iPad, Apple Watch, AirPod, and Service Link, and Apple Music, so everything they are introduced. So normally, why we are doing this BMC video? First, we have to understand it is the strategic management tool that help us to understand how a company creates value and delivers value to its customers and earn revenue. So it has nine key components. Based on this, we are seeing this. First one is the Apple, how the customers are, who are the customers, and Apple offers values, and Apple reaches the customers, maintain customers relationship. Although, so based on this, they are introduced the and key resources activates and pattern supports business, and finally we are understand its cost structures. So based on this nine key point, we are understand about the company, and we are approaching. Once we are know about the company, then we have to buy uh, our accessories. So based on this, our students are going to discuss about Apple phone company. Which is presented by Amidi, Deepika, Glantina, Jyotika, and Madhumita. Thank you all. Session hand out to our students.
Everyone, I am Amiti and my team members are going to present the business model canvas of Apple Inc. In this PPT, we are going to see partners, activities, resource, channel, customer, cost, revenue of Apple Inc. And from this PPT, we are going to see how the Apple company was successful in the world. Now, let us see the key partners of Apple. There are four types of key partners, and they are component supplier, developer ecosystem, retail and logistic partner, cloud and service provider. First, component supplier. They have a strategic relationship with TSMC supplier. They supply display, battery, and camera and ensure the performance and model. Developer ecosystem. Independent developers develop their partners expand the App Store ecosystem and enterprise integration. Retail and logistic partner. Here, the global carrier, distributor, and Apple stores deliver product availability, service, and brand experience. Cloud and service provider. Cloud infrastructure and content partners power iCloud, music, TV, and app service at scale.
The component suppliers strategic relationship with TSMC, suppliers of displays, batteries, and camera modules that ensures that the performance and the scale. Developer ecosystem independent. It ensures the developers and enterprise partners expand the app store and ecosystem and enterprise integrations. Retail and logistic partners, global carriers, distributors, and Apple stores deliver product availability and service and brand experience. Cloud and service providers, cloud infrastructure and content partners power iCloud, music, TV, and app service at scale. Next, we are moving on to key activities. Design and R&D, industrial design, hardware, engineering, and software innovation that define a product differentiation. Manufacturing, oversight partner managed production with rigorous QA and supply chain optimization. Platform and service. It continues the development of iOS, Mac OS, App Store, iCloud, and subscription service. Retail and marketing. Cuddle detail experience, premium marketing campaigns, and global product launches.
Atlantina from second year Triple E. Let us look at the revenue streams of the Apple company. They receive it from different various forms. Firstly comes the device sales. They have a variety of devices like iPhone, iPad, and Mac, even watch and accessories which will have premium pricing and frequent refresh cycles. For example, we are getting updated with the different variant models of iPhones. Like recently, iPhone 17 is being released. Earlierly 16, 15, and even in these they have Pro and Pro Max variants which will cost you different amounts and also have different features. Next, service and subscriptions. They have special separate app stores for Apple mobiles and MacBooks. They do not use the Play Store which the Android uses. They have App Store features, iCloud, Music, TV Plus, Arcade and Apple Care which are separately for Apple mobiles and devices and which have a separate subscription. Next, enterprise and licensing. They ensure that there is no copyright issues and if there they have to pay for it. The enterprise sales and device management solutions and occupation licensing revenues. From this, we could understand that Apple balances high bargain mal services with hardware volume to sustain growth and margin stability. Next, we have cost structure. Firstly, manufacturing and COGS. The component used are very costly. They are not just being costly but also have quality. So the component procurement and contract manufacturing are the highest variable cost. Next, R&D, research, development and design. The significant ongoing investment in technology, silicon, software and industrial design. This says that the infusement of semiconductor devices in their components which make it costlier than the other brands. There are even other brands with the same cost like iPhone like Samsung and Oppo, but we could see that iPhone has a special name and a fame. Next, sales and marketing and retail. Premium store operations, marketing launches and global advertising spends. We could find that the big malls all over the world is having Apple stores, which makes customer that using Apple devices gives you a rich feel and a luxurious look. Next, services and infrastructures. They have data centers, content licensing, and support for subscription businesses, which make their process easier and also efficient. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jyotika. Today I am going to talk about the key resources. Apple's key resources are its strong global brand, patents, and intellectual property, which helps maintain customers' trust and premium pricing. The company also relies on talented designers, engineers, and software developers to create innovative products. Manufacturing partners like TSMC and Foxconn ensure large scale production, while Apple's global retail stores, data centers, and digital platforms support its products and services worldwide. Channels. Apple's resources reaches its customers through multiple channels. It sells products directly through the Apple online store and Apple retail stores, providing a premium shopping experience. It also partners with mobile carriers, authorized resellers, and third party retailers to expand its research. Digital channels such as Apple Store, iCloud, and Apple Music help Apple deliver software, app, apps, and subscription services to millions of users globally. Thank you.
Hello everyone.
Today I'm going to talk about the customer relationships and customer segments of Apple. Customer relationships explain how Apple builds and maintains strong relationships with its customers. First is personalized support. Apple provides one to one assistance through Apple stores, authorized service centers, and Apple Care support, ensuring customers receive quick and reliable help. Second is loyalty through ecosystem. Apple connects all its devices such as iPhone, MacBook, iPad, and Apple Watch. This seamless integration gives customers a smooth experience and encourages them to continue using Apple products. Third is self service and community. Apple offers online support, user guides, FAQs, decision forums, and developer communities. These resources help customers solve problems independently and learn more about Apple products. In conclusion, Apple targets different customer groups with products designed for their needs and builds long term customer loyalty through excellent support, a connected ecosystem, and strong after sales service. And then customer segments means the different groups of customers that Apple serves. First is education and students. Apple provides devices like iPads and MacBooks along with educational software at student friendly prices. These products support learning, creativity, and academic activities. Second is creative professionals. This include graphic designers, video editors, photographers, musicians, and developers. Apple offers powerful hardware and professional software that help them perform high quality creative work. Third is enterprise and professionals. Apple provides ensure and reliable devices for business. Companies use Apple products because of their strong security, productivity features, and device management support. Finally, mainstream customers. These are everyday users who buy iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and other products for communication, entertainment, and daily life. They value premium quality, user friendly design, and a seamless ecosystem.
Thank you, students, for your excellent presentation on the business model Canva about Apple Link. And I appreciate your confidence, teamwork, and clear explanation were truly appreciable. So well done, you all. So we'll see in the next BMC video. Thank you all.